Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Remis, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a YouTube channel using your phone. And there's only one particular requirement for this exercise, which is a Google account. In the subsequent video I'm going to be showing you exactly step-by-step guide on how you can create a Google account. So stick with me from the beginning of this video to the end so that I can show you how you can create a YouTube channel to maximize growth on YouTube. Well, let's dive right into our today's exercise. So step number one is to sign into YouTube. So on your browser you can go to www.youtube.com and sign into YouTube using your Google account. For the sake of this video, I've already signed into my account using my Google account. So I'm just going to go to YouTube and click on it and then wait for it to load. Then down here on the on the right lower corner, you click on your profile where it says you, and it should bring you to this interface. Now click on your name where there's create a channel. So this is where it's going to bring you. For the sake of this video, I'm going to click here, and you need to make some editing here where there's name and handle, right? So you click there. I'm going to change the name. I'm not going to keep it as that. So I'm going to say Remisify Business Channel, right? So I save. You make sure that you choose something that is very simple and easy to remember, right? So that your viewers don't fidget to look for you. Now automatically the channel handle is already created, picked from the name, and the name is being used as the channel handle. And this channel handle helps a lot. Your viewers can just they can go to YouTube and just put at your channel handle, and they search for you. Your channel will pop up immediately because it's an identifier. Someone can go and create a YouTube channel named Remisify Business Channel, the same name, but what will distinguish it? It's the handle. The handle cannot be replicated. So if someone creates a handle with Remisify Business Channel, YouTube will automatically add a figure to it, which implies that someone already has a channel with that name. So after that, we are going to click, if we are satisfied with that, we are going to click Create Channel. So after clicking Create Channel, if we go to you here, then we click there again, you should be able to see the channel name, which is Remisify Business Channel. So in this case, we have to add more details to the channel, right? Which is now step 3. Step 2 was creating the channel, and step 3 is customizing the channel. Now let's customize the channel. After clicking Create Channel, we customize it. So we come to here, just right on this pen icon on your right, click there. So you should see some additional interfaces, some additional options like description. So in the description, you can click there and add your description of the channel. This is this channel. Let's say this channel helps entrepreneurs, right? Helps entrepreneurs get online on a budget. So we save. Make sure that on the description you add some hashtags, right? It is very important. I haven't added the hashtags because just for the sake of this video, but you make sure that you add some hashtags to your channel. Relevant, make sure they're relevant. Like for this one, it's a business channel. I'm going to say hash business, and I'm also going to say hash entrepreneurs because I'm going to be handling entrepreneurs. Then I'm going to say hash Remissify, which is the name of the channel, right? And then I say save. You can add like 14 hashtags. So let's go to this icon here, this one in the middle. If we want to put our profile picture, we can click there, and this is what is going to come up. So we can go to the gallery, to click gallery or camera and select from there whatever you want. I'm not going to select anything because I don't have anything for this channel, so I'm going to just leave it as Ara. But in the subsequent video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create your profile picture and the banner using a very cheap software. In fact, it's free of charge. It's 100% free. I'm going to be teaching you all these things in this channel. So this one on the right corner, this one here, it is for YouTube banner. So you can choose from your photos or take one. Again, haven't created one yet, but in the subsequent, I'm going to be using this same channel to create all these things. So the next video will be how to customize all these ones so that we can maximize growth on YouTube. And I'm going to do that with another video where I'm going to be creating all these things, the profile picture, the banners, and all that. And I'm going to teach you all this on this channel for free without any cost. So all you have to do is to click the subscribe button, like this video, and share with others. Where you've not understood, please leave a comment below there. I would like to answer your questions. And where you would like me to repeat, I'm going to create a specific video right for that particular topic you want me to cover. So step number 4 is the adding links. You can add some links to this, right? You can add some links to our channel. So we can go to YouTube Studio. I have an app here, but you can go to your browser and just type studio.youtube.com. So if you're using your browser, but if you're using an app, you can just go straight to the Play Store and download YT Studio. So I'm going to use the Studio app, Remissify Business Channel, which is this one. And I'm going to click on this profile picture of Ara, which is on the top right corner of the phone. Click there. And I click on the pen icon again to customize it, right? So here I should be able to add some links to the channel. I can say, you can add any links to any website, right? You can say WhatsApp, you can say what, and then you copy the URL and paste it there. If you have a TikTok account here, you just type TikTok. Very simple, like that. And then you go to add URL, you copy your URL and paste it there, and then you type done. You press done, and it will create your link on your channel, right? That's simple. You can add as many links as you can to this, as you wish to this channel. And also, don't forget to click the home tab. You click the home tab, you turn it on. The home tab is very, very important. It shows viewers which videos are on the home page, right? So if you want your videos to get to viewers, and you want them to enjoy the videos right from the home tab, then you should consider turning it on. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. The next video will be how to create your profile picture and how to create your banner or anything you want to put on YouTube, even the thumbnail. I'm going to show you how to create all those ones. They are using a very free app, actually very free, 100% free. It doesn't cost you anything. Even if you want to donate to them, they can't ask you to donate. There's no any option or any link to donate anything. Please, before you go, here is a few tips I want to give you to help your channel start strong. Be consistent, upload regularly, guys. engage with your viewers in the comments. Optimize your titles and description tags to help YouTube algorithm find your videos. Then do not worry about being perfect. Just get started, right?
And voila, that's how it is. That's how you create your own YouTube channel using this step-by-step guide I've provided you. So on this channel, we teach you how to maximize growth on YouTube, how you can discover different ways to monetize on YouTube so that you can maximize revenues, and how you can build your personal brand. So welcome on Remixify. Until next time, please consider subscribing and enjoy your time.